What's up, lovely people? Welcome back. So today I'm going to share this bitter melon juice. Like, bitter melon is so underrated yet packed with so many health benefits. So here I have all the ingredients. You will need 1 ripe pineapple. Now the pineapple is what's going to help to balance out that bitterness. All right, you will need 2 bitter melon, a small piece of ginger, 1 lime, and 2 cucumber. So to get started, I'm going to prepare the bitter melon, and before you even start, make sure that you wash all your ingredients. So I cut off both ends, and what I'm going to do is to cut this in half and remove the seeds with a spoon. Now I've heard that the seeds are poisonous. I'm not 100% sure, but to be on the safe side, I always remove the seeds. Every bitter herb that God created has its purpose. So this is no different than the aloe vera, the cerci. As a matter of fact, I believe this and the cerci is the same thing. That little fruit that always grow on the cerci tree, I believe they're from the same family, if not the same thing. But depending on where it's grown, the size varies. When it comes down to the many health benefits, these are not just limited to bitter melon, but bitter herbs in general. Bitters purge the blood. They stimulate the liver to detoxify the body. They boost the immune system, aid in digestion, helps to regulate blood sugar, and on top of that, they are high in vitamin C, vitamin A, calcium, iron, and the list goes on. Though bitters might not entice the taste buds, but listen, not everything that's good for us will always taste finger licking, alright? And that's something that I had to learn. Make sure that you cut these up in the appropriate size that will fit your juice amount. So as I mentioned earlier, the pineapple is what's going to balance out the bitterness, because trust me, this is bitter, and even with the pineapple, the juice was still bitter, which is alright because the pineapple is not to take away the bitterness but to balance it out. This is the first batch. I'm going to strain it and juice the rest. Honestly, this juice was perfect. I had no complaints. It's bitter with a slight sweetness from the pineapple. That's it, lovely people. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all try and enjoy this recipe. And until next time, bless upon yourself.